So here is problem number 3 of this homework 3 that involves kinematics. So we have JoJo Jones running, starting at rest, runs with an acceleration of 1 meter per second squared, and then yada, 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 yada. So I'm going to draw a little track here. And then here is JoJo Jones. Next she's going to run. So I'm going to write down some things that I know in terms of variables. JoJo Jones starts at rest. That means that V naught is 0 meters per second. And then she has an acceleration of 1 meter per second. Well, that's A, acceleration. That means that every second that JoJo is running, her speed increases by 1 meter per second. And then, what's her speed after 3 seconds? Time. And you're looking for this speed after 3 seconds, so that's V final. Question mark. And so again, there are different ways of doing this. One way, again, is kind of like, I don't know if it's common sense or not, but you're, oh, yikes. Yeah, JoJo Jones is gaining 1 meter per second of speed every second she's running. So then how many meters per second of speed will she gain after 3 seconds? Well, 3 meters per second. But for those of you that like these equation thingies here, we've got this one. Yeah, so V final is equal to V naught plus AT. This is the exact same thing I just said, but in terms of a little more mathy looking with symbols. So you start off at rest. Bloop, that's 0. V naught is 0. So the final velocity is just A times T. So 1 meter per second squared times 3 seconds. So in math land, in number land, 1 times 3 is 3. And the dimensions are, this second, it cancels one of these guys, so I'm left with meters over seconds. So there's your final velocity after 3 seconds. And then you want to know, how far does she run? That's delta x. So one way to get delta x is it's V average times T. So if she starts off at 0 meters per second and ends up with 3 meters per second, then V average is the average between 0 and 3, which is 1.5 meters per second, times 3 seconds. So that the delta x here, 1.5 times 3 is 4.5 meters. Okay. The other way to get this displacement is we've got this handy-dandy equation that goes delta x is equal to V naught times T plus 1/2 A T squared. So JoJo Jones, is that JoJo? Yes, starts off at rest. So that means that V naught is 0. And then 0 times T is 0. So then the displacement is just 1/2 times, well, her acceleration was 1 meter per second squared. And then times t squared. So the time was 3 seconds. So 3 seconds squared. So in number land, so 1/2 times 1 is 1/2. 3 squared is 9. And 1/2 times 9 is 4.5. And a meter over second squared times seconds, one of those seconds cancels. Oh no, I take it back. This is second squared. This is second squared. All those seconds cancel out. Yeah, I'm left with the meters. So 4.5 meters. So whichever way you figure it, the distance is 4.5 meters up in the air. Okay then.